Dear students, now we need to discuss surface energy. A few nucleons may be available on nuclear surface which are surrounded by few neighbors and thus less tightly bound as compared to the nucleons inside the nucleus. Nucleons on the surface do not contribute to the binding energy, but nucleons on the surface may interact with nucleons inside the nucleus. Therefore, surface energy develops and then the binding energy decreases. Since the binding energy decreases by surface energy, the surface energy is negative. The surface energy is proportional to R square, R over R, proportional to A 2/3, since R is proportional to A 1/3, where R is equal to radius of the nucleus, A is equal to mass number. Therefore, the surface energy is given by capital E suffix S is equal to minus small a suffix S into A 2/3, where small as is equal to constant to be determined, capital A is equal to mass number. This is equation number 2. The surface energy is analogous to surface tension of a liquid. This is surface energy is a negative. Now, third, Coulomb energy or Coulomb's repulsive force. Coulomb repulsive force between protons, which likewise tend to make the nucleus less tightly bound. The Coulomb force is attractive between protons. Therefore, Coulomb energy or Coulomb repulsive force is proportional to Z into Z minus 1, where Z is equal to number of protons. Therefore, the Coulomb force between protons or Coulomb repulsive force or Coulomb energy, capital EC is equal to minus small ac into Z into Z minus 1 divided by A 1/3 R over R, capital E suffix C is equal to minus AC into Z square divided by A 1/3. The Coulomb force is a negative. Because of Coulomb force, the binding energy decreases. This is about Coulomb force and equation number 3. Thank you.